Hey everyone, so if you own a 2021 through 2024 base, Big Bend, Black Diamond, or even the mid-package Outer Banks Bronco, well, you know the deal with the interior. You get the standard 8-inch screen surrounded by that massive plastic bezel. Now personally, the 8-inch screen never really bothered me that much, but I know for a lot of Bronco owners, it's one of the first things they want to swap out. That 12-inch display fills out the dash just so much better, gives you that premium high trim look right from the factory. Now upgrading to an OEM 12-inch display setup used to mean dropping big bucks on expensive conversion kits. Today though, we're looking at a plug-and-play solution from CarABC that gives you the full 12-inch upgrade experience at a fraction of the cost. Now here's what you actually get with the setup. You get the full hardware package. That's the new dash bezel, the screen, and all the required wiring harnesses. Now this kit completely cleans up the dash layout, eliminating the bulky plastic surround so it looks like that OEM option. And before we talk about how it performs, let's clear up some of the options that CarABC offers, as there's a few different kits on their site. The first option retains your stock 8-inch APIM module, which is the module that powers the screen for your Bronco. Now this version will take that 8-inch APIM and upscale the resolution while still staying very responsive, but it's plug and play. You don't need to do anything else. There's no swapping APIMs or anything else. That is not the version I'm looking at today. If you want more information on that version, I would encourage you to check out the Eville Truck YouTube channel, which I'll leave in the video's description. And Bill over there does a great job of the installation and kind of going over the benefits of that model. Now the option 2 model is the model that I have here today. That is the 12-inch APIM along with the 12-inch screen. Now that includes a pre-programmed 12-inch APIM module that is programmed to your VIN, and it obviously includes the screen and the frame bezel. There's also a third option, which is just the brackets and the trim. So if you have your own OEM screen or whatever else, then you can opt for that. And quick note, they also sell an Android 13 based head unit, but we're going to be skipping that today as we're strictly focusing on retaining the native Ford Sync4 ecosystem. So full transparency, CarABC did send me this unit to review, but I can tell you if this product was terrible, then I would be sending it back and you would not be watching this video right now. Now CarABC sent me the screen-only kit option first. That's the first option that I mentioned. I have an early 21 Bronco, and it's running a very old version of Sync4. When I tried to install that kit, we ran into some compatibility issues getting the factory 8-inch APIM to talk to the new display properly. I worked closely with CarABC's support team, who were insanely helpful, responsive throughout the whole process. At the end of the day, we decided to swap over to their fully programmed 12-inch APIM kit, which is the option 2 I recommended. Once we plugged that in, it fired right up. So I'm shipping my original 8-inch APIM back to their engineering team so they can diagnose and find out what kind of issues we had. But for most Bronco owners, you're not going to have that issue. Now, as far as day-to-day functionality goes, every factory feature works exactly as it should. So you have the steering wheel controls, the climate control overlays. You obviously get the seamless wireless CarPlay and Android Auto experience. Now, the only minor issue is the backup camera. And what I mean by that is the factory 8-inch camera outputs a lower resolution signal. So that means it stretches that resolution across a 12-inch higher resolution screen, which makes the feed look a bit pixelated, or let's just say potato quality, compared to the native high definition display. Now that said, it's still 100% functional, totally usable, and gets the job done. And my final thoughts before we jump into the installation portion of this video: even though I was fine with the 8-inch screen originally, having this 12-inch setup in the dash completely changes the vibe of the truck. Everything works smoothly, the screen response is snappy, and having wireless CarPlay on a display this side makes it much better for daily usage. So if you're interested in this kit, I will provide a link in the video's description, and if you use code FULLSPEED, you can save an extra 50 bucks. And now with that out of the way, let's jump into the installation portion of the video.
All right, so here's the new panel they send you. It's looks good. It's like you can order it in different colors. This one's like the dark gray black color, but it looks pretty good. It doesn't come with any kind of vents, so you need to swap out the vents. Sorry, my garage is a bit of a mess right now, but I'm gonna swap out these vents here. You got a 7mm here, 7mm there. And then same thing with here. You got 2 up here, 2 down there. As you can see, and then another 2 there, and another 2 there. So you're gonna just swap out these vents. This way you can keep the color that you have on the front and all that kind of stuff. And usually there's nothing wrong with the OEM ones, right? So after we swap out these vents into the new one, or at least take them off, then we'll go ahead and take out the airbag.